Want to make your designs come to life? In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create a talking avatar in Canva using simple steps. You'll learn how to add voiceovers, sync mouth movements, and bring your avatar to life for YouTube videos, presentations, or social media content. Hey guys, welcome back to AI from scratch. So far, I've shared tutorials on how to use other software to create AI avatars and consistent characters, but today I'll be showing you how to use Canva's built-in tools to design your own talking avatar. We're going to jump straight in.
First, open Canva, and at the top, right above the search bar, click on Canva AI. This is where we'll enter our prompt, and I'm going to demonstrate how to create both a consistent character avatar and a 3D animation avatar. To begin, we'll start with the realistic version. I'm just pasting my basic prompt, which includes the setting and the main features of the avatar. Once it's ready, click the arrow to generate the results. And within minutes, Canva produces 4 realistic avatars. I'm just going to preview them to see how they turned out. Now I'll show you how to convert this same prompt into a 3D animation avatar. I'll insert the prompt again, but this time at the beginning I added 3D animation, which signals Canva to create an animated style version of the avatar. Once I click Generate, Canva presents 4 new images of the same character, but completely transformed into a 3D animated style. Simply adding that phrase gives the avatar a new dimension and personality. Let's say you want to make a quick edit to your avatar without regenerating all 4 images again. Canva lets you modify one image individually. Click on the image you want to adjust. I'll choose this one. In the adjustment box, type whatever modification you want, like adding or removing an item. I'm typing, have her wearing a headband, and then I hit Submit. Canva will process the adjustment and generate an updated version of that same image with the headband added. When I preview it, the headband appears instantly without having to recreate the entire avatar. Now I'm going to show you how to turn your avatar prompt into a sketch-style illustration. I'll exit the current window and paste the prompt once more. At the bottom, I'll click on Styles, where Canva provides different art styles you can apply. I'll choose the sketch color style, then click the arrow to generate. This time, Canva gives 4 sketch format versions of the exact same prompt. I'll look through them to select one I want to use. Once you click on an image, choose Open in Editor at the top, and then click Share, followed by Download. After selecting Download again, the file is saved automatically to your Downloads folder. Next, we'll move into creating the talking avatar video. Go back to Create, select Video Landscape, and open a blank canvas. On the left side panel, scroll down to Apps, then scroll further until you locate DID Avatar. Canva integrates with DID AI avatars, enabling you to turn any avatar into a talking one. You can browse through the avatar catalog by clicking See All and use any of them by selecting Use Avatar. But since we'll be working with the avatar we just created, I'm going to exit this panel. Now I'll upload the avatar image we saved earlier. Once it uploads, we'll be able to apply voice, movement, and speech animation to the avatar using the DID plugin built directly into Canva. Now I'm going to select it and click Open. Next, I'm going to insert my prompt into this box so Canva knows exactly what I want the avatar to say or do. After that, I'll scroll down to explore the other options available. Here you can see the voice section, where Canva offers a variety of AI voices. I'm going to click See All so we can take a look at every available option. You can scroll through the list, preview each voice, and choose the one that best fits your avatar's personality. Once you've found a voice you like, you simply click Use Voice. I think I'm going to head back to the top and select Ashley. Her voice fits the tone I want. Now, before generating the avatar, let's say you prefer to use your own audio or a voiceover from another site. Canva lets you do that too. Just click on Audio, then choose File, select the audio you want to use, and click Open. But for now, I'll exit that and switch back to the text section. Once you're satisfied with the prompt, the voice choice, and all your settings, you can preview the animation at the bottom to make sure everything looks good. When you're happy with how it sounds and how the avatar responds, click Generate Presenter. Canva will start processing your avatar using the DID Avatar app. If this is your first time using the DID integration inside Canva, it will prompt you to connect and sign in. DID is the third-party tool Canva integrates with to animate your avatar and sync the mouth movements with your voiceover. For first-time users, DID usually lets you generate one avatar animation for free, though it will have a watermark. It's important to note that having a Canva subscription does not give you full access to DID. They are separate, so if you want more generations or watermark-free videos, you'll need a DID subscription. Even though it appears inside Canva, it functions as its own service. You can scroll through the available plans and choose whichever one fits your needs. The first two plans listed at the bottom are free, but they come with limitations and watermarks. Still, they work fine for testing or learning the process. Once you sign in and generate your animation, your talking avatar will appear directly on your Canva workspace. At this point, I'll right-click on the video and select Set as Background so it expands to fill the entire canvas. This helps you see the final layout more clearly and ensures the video occupies the full frame. Next, at the top right, I'll show you how to save the video. Click Share, then Download, and select Download again to confirm. Canva will automatically process the file and save it to your Downloads folder. Once the export is complete, you can open the video to view the final result.
When you play it back, you'll see the avatar speaking your script with synced mouth movements and the AI voice you selected. It explains how to bring your designs to life using a talking avatar, how to add voiceovers, and how to create animated content for YouTube presentations or social media. The avatar demonstrates exactly how your script looks when animated, and you can use this method to create professional-looking videos even without filming yourself. I also showed how to create a consistent AI avatar directly in Canva, and earlier tutorials walk through other software options you can explore if you want more advanced customization. You can compare them and decide which method suits your workflow best. All the tools and steps from designing your avatar, styling it, adding voice, syncing animation, and exporting come together to help you create polished content easily inside Canva. Bye-bye.